Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have Instagram. Now link it to Threads and get started. First, make sure your Instagram account is signed in and two-factor is set if you prefer extra security. Once done, update or install Threads from the official App Store so you have the current features. Next, open Threads and grant camera, microphone, and notification permissions when prompted. These let you post photos, record quick replies, and receive activity. Finally, tap your Instagram profile in Threads to confirm the account connection and import your handle and bio. You're composing content now. Tap the Compose button and type your message, then attach photos or a short video. Use threading by replying to your own post to build a multi-part conversation. This keeps ideas organized. Make sure to add relevant hashtags and mentions to increase discoverability, and use the in-app edit and preview before publishing to confirm spacing and links. Once ready, pick your audience settings and consider saving a draft if you plan a longer sequence. Drafts let you polish tone and timing. You finish by engaging and managing activity. Respond to replies promptly and pin key posts to highlight them. Check simple analytics to see what content performs best. Make sure to manage privacy actively, mute or block accounts, adjust who can share your posts, and unlink the account if you need to separate Threads from Instagram. If the app misbehaves, first update it, clear the cache, or reboot your device. If problems persist, relink your Instagram account or reinstall Threads to resolve persistent syncing or posting errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.